Hello friends, welcome to our channel Data Analytics. Today I am going to show you the XLOOKUP function, and most of us probably we do not know the XLOOKUP function because it is the newest member of Excel lookup functions family. You may already know its sibling. So siblings are generally VLOOKUP, HLOOKUP, index, match, etc. Basically, XLOOKUP collects us to search for an item in an range or a table and return matching result. So it is much similar to VLOOKUP but offers much more. So without wasting time, I am going to show you how it is work. Let's open some file which I demonstrate you how it works. So I am going to open this file. So I am applying XLOOKUP equal to X. Oops, you probably see that it doesn't support XLOOKUP function. So I am going to Office 365 of higher levels, that is 2016 and 2019, because it is Excel 2010. So it doesn't support XLOOKUP function. So I am going to Office 365 2019. I am going to open in internet, that is office.com. I do not install right now in my system, so I show you with direct Microsoft Office.com. Just I will open this previous file to copy this data to show you XLOOKUP. This makes our time, so we save our time doing this, and here we paste working on it, and here we paste our data. Basically it is not copy. I will copy it properly. So why it is not copied? Control C and Control V. Why it is not saving? The file is saving mode, so might be it takes some time. Actually this is not the proper way. I will adjust it. So I'll just all of these in center. So basically the mesh is too large, so actually I changed this format to short date. Now you can see that the date of birth is appear. Now we apply XLOOKUP here. So this is our data set. I will just do some highlighting. Now our data is looking fine, looking good. So when using XLOOKUP, you just provide three basic parameters. Now I am applying XLOOKUP here. XLOOKUP. The three basic parameters are lookup value, lookup array, and return array. So what is these basic parameters? The first is the value you are looking for, lookup value means, as you know in VLOOKUP, so this is same thing in XLOOKUP also. The first is lookup a value, the value you are looking for. The second is lookup array, the list where this value should be found. Lookup array means the list where this value should be found, this value should be found. And third parameters is the list from which you want to result. Okay, so I am applying here XLOOKUP. If I want full name with date of birth column, now I just delete it now, and we put some date. Now I apply XLOOKUP here. Okay, XLOOKUP. So lookup value is this, and our lookup array. Lookup array means the list where this value should be found. So this value is found in this column, so I'll just copy this. And the third parameters is the list from which you want the result. So I want full name, so I just copy this whole and close the bracket and hit enter. Just for a second. Now we can see that our XLOOKUP works here. So 25/5/1970, our full name is, date of birth and the full name is Harry Mitchell. Now XLOOKUP, now we can show, one second, I am just applying here conditional formatting. Source is date of birth. Okay, and you can see that here I applied data validation. So you now see that the date of birth, which are 9/6/1971, is locally. So I am searching manually 9/6/1971, that is locally here. Perfect for the result. So we learned how XLOOKUP works in this video. Now the next video of XLOOKUP function is the other three parameters, and how it is more powerful, how it is more powerful than VLOOKUP functions. So I will show you in this all these in next video. For today, that's it. Thank you. Bye bye. Good night.